Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss about how can you add a new team member on the BotPenguin platform. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side you can see all these options. To add or manage team members, you have to go to the team section right here. In the team section, we have different subsections: team, business hours, members, and roles. If you want to create a team, you can do it from the team subsection itself. And if you want to add a new team member, you have to go to the members section here. On the right hand side, you'll find the add team member button. You have to click on that. And here you have to enter all this information to create a new team member. Firstly, you have to add the name of the team member. For the demo purpose, I am simply entering John here. Then you have to enter the email ID. And then you have to enter the phone number. From here, you have to select the role of the team member. For the demo purpose, I am simply selecting this role. You can add and manage roles from the roles section right here. Then you have to select the lead visibility. You'll find two options here, assigned and all. If you select the assigned option, then this team member will be allowed to view only those leads which are assigned to him. And if you select the all option, then all leads will be visible to this team member. Then you have to select the lead reassign permission. If you select can reassign for all chats, then this team member can reassign all chats to other team members. And if you select can reassign on chat, then this team member can only reassign his own chats to other team members. And if you select cannot reassign, that means this team member will not be able to reassign any of the chats. From the mask attribute option, you can select those attributes which you do not want to show to this team member. Then you can select the profile icon from the available options for this team member. If you want to upload any other picture, you can do it from here. Then you have to add a unique password for this team member. This password will be used by the team member to access the BotPenguin platform. So after entering all these details, you just have to click on the add team member and you are done. Your team member will be added. From here, you can see the list of team members you have. You can see their email addresses, you can see their phone numbers and their roles. If you wish to change the status of the team member, you can do it from here. And if you want to edit or delete the team member, then you can do it from here. So that's it. That was all about how can you add a new team member on the BotPenguin platform. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.